Hey everybody, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself world. It's all about pathways. Pathways between the houses. Pathways out to the greenhouse. Pathway to the water. Out that way there's a pathway out to the chickens. We got out here, got a pathway running to the dog. A pathway running to the garage. Pathway running to where the car goes. Pathway to the trailer. This is all I'm doing is shoveling. Now here the sun is shining. It's a lot thinner here. And I get pathway to the truck. Pathway to my trailer, which I shoveled out again. We had a lot of snow. I think we had 6 or 8 inches. Good 6 or 8. I shoveled out the trailer again. Hoping to get back to work. And every time I get this cleared out, it snows. It's supposed to snow tomorrow, so we'll see what happens. I've been wanting to put the sides on here, but all I'm doing is shoveling snow all the time, it seems. Another pathway out to the truck, pathway out to the shops. I can't see my camera, so anyway, let me walk you out here. It gets deep. See right here, it's packed down because this is where I drive the truck. This is probably about 4 inches right here. I'm walking on the top of it. All of this here. You can see I had used the truck to make pathways out to our wood piles, which are all gone. And we're down to a face cord. I just did an update on Country Wood Products too, if you want to check that out, guys. Out here it gets deep. I'm not down to the ground. It goes deeper. I just shoveled all this out. Out over here, it gets really deep snow. This is where the sun doesn't shine all day as much, so it's getting really deep out here. Shoveled out my shop. There's about 3 inches down there yet. That's off the ground, and I just barely scraped to get the door open. And this is all I do. This is all I have been doing for days. Feeding the fire, shoveling snow, and just trying to maintain. This is really deep out here. And that's about what it's like out in the woods where I was working. But I covered all that in Country Wood Products. So check that video out, guys. I'll put the link down below. I just wanted to share with you what I'm doing, because this is it. Shoveling snow. Snowblower broke in the beginning of the season. I had talked about that on video, but some of you may have missed that. But yeah, so it's all hand shoveling now. It's all shoveling snow. And we might get more tomorrow. We have a beautiful day today. And so I'm taking advantage of it out here and scooping this up. But tomorrow we might get some more. And I'll be shoveling again. Anyway, brief video. Really not much to report except for this. Just Homestead survival mode. Well, I'll get this up there to you guys so you can see what I'm doing, and I'm going to get back to shoveling pathways.